Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi Ada, welcome to IWM Buzz.
थैंक यू.
So the holiday.
Yes.
कितना मज़ा किया आपके वेकेशंस पे?
बहुत मज़ा किया जैसे आप देख रहे हो. ये पोस्टर शूट होने में दिस वाज नॉट टू मच मज़ा बिकॉज दे टू पिक मी अप बट yeah, we had a lot of fun like you saw in the trailer and it's even more fun now getting to know people's reactions. So I'm quite excited. It's releasing on the 13th on Zoom Studios, my debut web series, and I can't wait for people to watch it.
Okay. So how was it working with Priyank Sharma and the other two characters? Like how fun was it?
So Priyank, Asham, Veer are three very crazy guys, and I think the show needs crazy people in it. Four best friends who've gone on a holiday. It's my bachelorette, and I'm going with three of my best friends who happen to be boys. So yeah, I think because of their craziness, the whole camaraderie between us was visible. And yeah, now watch the show and tell me what you guys think.
How was it working with Zoom Studios for the first time, I guess?
They were really nice, yeah. They had a really cool vision, and I think that's showing in the trailer. I think they and Laksh and them have worked together before, and on the trip, and I think they've totally outdone themselves this time with the reactions that we're getting from people. I mean, everyone's like, this is looking like a film and not a web show, so that's a huge compliment to them as well.
Exactly. So what character are you playing in this web show or web film?
So I play Mehak, whose bachelorette it is, and she's getting married and she's going on her bachelorette. So she's a fun, she's like every other girl. She's a lot like me. She's quite mad and quirky and fun. And you have to be a little mad to go with three boys on your bachelorette.
So out of it, on a scale of 1 to 10, how similar is the character to your real life?
I think it would be an 8.5 or 9. I haven't played anything that's been so close. My usual characters, the closeness would be maybe like 2 or 1. Or that also because like your real self will creep into your character. But in this, it's like an 8.5, I think.
So what adventure sport did you do in Mauritius while shooting or offset?
We went underwater in these scooters where this guy threw bread at our faces and then there was there's glass around our face, so it didn't come on my face, but he threw bread and there were fish who came and ate the bread.
Okay,
That was the adventure sport that we did. Very exciting.
Lastly, a message for the viewers, and why should they watch The Holiday?
Because okay, if you watch those previous questions, you might not feel like, but you must watch The Holiday. It's releasing on the 13th, Saturday on Zoom. It's fun. It's entertaining. Look at our posters. Our posters are so nice. If you want to come and experience this, if you've not gone on a holiday for long and you want to, you should just watch The Holiday. You don't need to go on a holiday. You don't need to actually pack your bags and go to Mauritius. We're getting Mauritius to you. So you must watch The Holiday and have a lot of fun. Hey guys, this is Ada Sharma and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.